Suited Mafiaa, yeah. What up, though, gang? How y'all feeling this day? Welcome or welcome back, y'all. It's so KieKie. Today we actually about to do Kie's Sewing School, alright? Spring and summertime coming up. It's time to get those clothes revamped, retwisted, buy a new wardrobe, whatever you might do to get ready for the spring and summertime. So today what we're gonna be doing is for my sewing people that don't know how to sew or don't want to know how to sew or just want to know how to make quick things, this video is perfect for you. It's beginners friendly. Let's get into it. Alright, period. So what we're gonna need for this class today will be a pair of scissors and your t-shirts you want to retwist. This is an old t-shirt that was supposed to be for suited, y'all, but we're gonna use this today. So it's an oversized one. And you would need a model as well. If you're your own model, perfect. I'm not gonna wear these type of shirts, but I wanna show you how to make it. So this is the other one. You might find another one in here, child, but that's all right. Let's get to this table, not the sewing machine. Alright, y'all, this is a little quick little, what? Get up. Say no. Suited Mafiaa, you did. Pre-orders are opening up soon, y'all, so go ahead and copy your Suited Mafiaa tee if you a real one, because you know we do our own thing. We stay on our lane because we love to kill them with kindness. Believe it, y'all. All right, back to this video. All right, y'all, I'm at my sewing table. I spray my shirt out. It's open flat, both sides like that, just making it equal. All right, so the first part, we're gonna use our scissors and cut top, front straight across armpit. The front part only, like this. All right, so it kind of look like this. And the next step, I know it's gonna be janky and funny looking right now, but the next step is we're gonna flip it. And now we're gonna cut down the back only. Going straight down. Voila, magic. Voila, magic. So bam, I know it sounded counterproductive, but it actually helped me remember how to do it and accurately at that. So once I turn it back over, it looks a little funky like this. But what I use this for now is to decide how far down I want that V look to stop. So you take it from up here and you come down here. And again, this is for my model. So I think, and this is an oversized t-shirt, she's a little slim. So I'm gonna do 13 type situation. So just remember that number. You ain't gotta write it down, write it down, but don't cut anything just yet. Now, this is why I say it's gonna sound counterproductive. Now, you take that armpit slit. You can flip it back over for an easier cut though, so I would say that. So what I'm gonna do now is take it from this armpit that we already cut the front and finish cutting the back. Then you have something that looks just like this. Y'all, when I tell you we almost done, we almost done. All right, y'all, so like you have it open right here, right? That point I told y'all to remember, that's when we're about to start marking. All right, bet. So I actually changed mine from 13 to 12. I think I wanted to add a little razzle-dazzle a little bit, but we hope it's gonna fit her. So I marked it 12 right here, and then you'll find a midpoint right here and mark your 12 as well. That whole still period. Alright. Like that. But try to mark it like, make sure it's right in the middle. Don't be like me, okay? Mark it right in the middle. Like that. And then you're gonna mark it. This is my left side, so I'm marking on my left side. Shaboing. Alright, and after you do that,
Y'all, I was really interrupted and they made me forget to start my camera. So there's that suit in Mafiaa. So my camera did stop at when I told y'all to draw your lines right here and right here. So you should have drawn them. I can't even talk. So you should have drawn down your specific measurements. Mine was 12. So I drew right here and on the other side. And I drew it in the middle, right? Right. Then we cut it down like that. I ain't get to that part, but we at that part now. So after you draw your thing down, you make a split right here in the middle. Let me be enacted. So make a little split right here. You go I'm split like that, and then once you get to that part, you trace that line you drew, and you go I'm cutting, and then now you look like that, and you had this part. Bam, cool. So now we at this part. You draw a straight line across. Don't be like me and eye everything, okay? Try to do a little perfect. So you draw straight across right here. Draw your line. Bang. You take that over. And now you're able to see your line. Then you come here and you go, oh, I'm cutting. There you go. Now we back. Alright, y'all, let me record the last part before it cuts off. Again. So after you at this part, you're gonna find the midpoint. Let me switch that for the wall. So you find that midpoint right here. Alright, y'all. So, you're done! I know it look raggedy, but before we put it on the model, I want to show y'all how to do your seams. Because you see this little right here? But that's the good thing about having a t-shirt fabric, the little jersey. Because if you stretch it, it's just going to roll over, baby. It's just going to roll over. And now you got the finished seam. Stretch it a little bit. And it's okay, you got ties to make it tighter. Because you won't feel it getting a little stretched out. Or you won't feel like it's getting a little stretched out of shape. But believe me, it ain't. Alright, y'all. This is the last shirt right here. And this is the simplest one. Simplest one. You ready? Ready? Set? Go. And then 1 inch. Instead of 2. So I went down to 1 inch. And now we have 2 shirts. Let's put them on my model. Yo. Backity back. I got my model here. We about to try the shirts on that we made, y'all. And y'all gonna see another white one back there. That's because I gotta do my TikTok. My reel. So follow me on Instagram, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, yeah.
Don't hurt them now. Don't hurt. Cool. Alright, so y'all, this is the red one that we did that look like this. Yes, I tie-dyed it myself because I told y'all it was supposed to be something else. Ooh, let's give it body. Yeah. Period. So this is the raw edge, y'all. Y'all see how y'all can't even see it no more when you pull the sleeves out? And then this is the little line, the indent I was telling you about to see how high you want it to go. Period. And in the back, you can tie it. I put in knots to make it look cute. Or you can put in little bows, but it's giving cute summer outfit. And I told y'all y'all come back to see the other one. The actual outfit we put it on. Period, yeah.
Kids, I wanna ride it. It's something like a car.
So now y'all, but y'all see how simple that was to make? Period.
If you got a big head,
yeah, let me see.
get something a little smaller.
A little bigger.
I mean, a little bigger. Yeah. You got a big head and some triple
so you can put this through, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Cause stop talking about him. Look, but it's cute. Right now she kind of look like a little rock mummy because of the black shirt underneath. But other than that, y'all, get into it. Suited Mafiaa, yeah. The ad-lib in the back, I love it. But yeah, y'all, that was it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was a fun, fast, quick 2 shirts.
for the summer and springtime, y'all. Quick and easy. We told y'all the pros and cons of them. This one, you make sure you get a bigger shirt. So this was a large, you probably need like a 2X or XL. So you know, put it over that dome.
Like our business logo.
Yeah, all that. Say no. But alright, y'all. Remember to spread love and receive love, because it's the cure. Believe it. We out.